What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, the lady's back in the office. I got a little bit of cabin fever on this Tuesday, so I'm back up at Winter Park on the Mary Jane side. Let's have a day. I've gotten a couple questions over the last couple weeks of what I thought about deferring the Ikon pass this year. And right away, I mean, the girlfriend and I kind of thought about it. We weren't going to do this year just because of COVID, and we didn't know how many days we could actually come up to the resorts, hoping that they wouldn't close down in the middle of the season or even just after one day of riding. But looking back, hindsight, I mean, it's got to be one of the best decisions I made all year as far as ski season goes. To pass up the ski season means that I probably would have missed out on a lot. And probably wouldn't have gone out to Utah like I wanted to, or Wolf Creek like we did a few weeks back. I feel like it was also a pretty cool thing to do, to start filming my ski sessions out here in Colorado, and even the ones that I'm kind of traveling on and going on road trips for. It's pretty much giving me a reason to kind of film and go out every weekend, so that's always a big plus. During these next couple weeks, I'm actually going to be filming quite a bit more on the ski slopes, but then after that, after about a month or two, I'm actually going to be probably diverting back into my trail running, hiking, and backpacking videos that I usually do in the summertime. But knowing that I can do this in the winter, and the fact that you guys love watching the videos, it just makes me want to do it that much more next year. So I'm definitely back for the 2022 season, probably getting the Ikon pass again. So if you guys are looking for any updates on the resorts, I'll try to be here as much as I can and help you out. But I got to say, big ups to all the resorts for making this happen. I mean, for a season that shouldn't have happened and that a lot of people have gotten scrutiny for opening up resorts, it's been quite a good year so far. And I mean, I'm not going to take anything away from anyone else. I know if you want to stay home or you want to defer your pass, it's totally up to you. And it's also a good idea because that means just next year you're going to be able to get your pass fully funded without even paying anything. So if you were hurting financially at all, I hope that really benefited you to wait till next year to ski. But considering the ski season shouldn't have even happened in the first place, I'm going to enjoy every single turn today, every lift line, and just enjoy your riding. Just got off the panorama loop. I'm not sure about what's actually the height, but I'll list that like right here, just so you guys know. But she's windy up here. It's usually a lot nicer on a bluebird day, but this fresh snow is really nice today. So we're gonna enjoy a couple turns off of panorama. Let's get it. Oh, legs are burning today. Me and the lady rode a copper this last weekend, and oh, the legs are still hurting, but got it. Such a good day. Let's keep it going, baby. Alright guys, sadly we're wrapping up Winter Park for the day. I just kept having a blast. I didn't want to leave after I was filming like 6 or 7 runs with the GoPro. There really wasn't that many people here today for being a Tuesday, so it was really nice to be up here on a day like today when they had a couple inches of snow overnight. But still, more and more throughout the day, I just kept thinking, like, I don't know, if I would have deferred this year's Ikon pass or the ski pass for this entire year, whether you have an Ikon or an Epic, I think you would have regretted it. And I think I would have definitely regretted it too. This is just a really good way to break up your season. I mean, like I said before, in a couple months, I'm going to go back to my trail running, hiking, and backpacking videos that I do on a weekly basis with my GoPro. So had we not actually gone through with this Ikon season, I think we really would have regretted it. We're in the meat and potato part of the season right now, so the next month or two is going to be really nice, and then it's going to start to drop off as far as snow quality. I hope to keep testing the waters and go to a bunch of different ski resorts that maybe you guys haven't gone to. So if there actually is a place that I haven't gone to, and let's say it's on the Ikon Pass and you guys want me to go there, comment down below. I mean, I'm not one to shy away from a random road trip. And I mean, if it's nearby, whether it's Utah, Montana, Wyoming, if you want to see something different, write down in the comments below and see where you want me to ride. But I hope you like this video. If you want to see more coming your way, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day. Stupid way to fall. Whatever. Okay. Let's pretend to be good again.